Hi, I'm Julie Pedroncelli St. John, and I'm here to talk today about wine-based cocktails. They're a bit of a trend, but we put together a Friends White Mimosa. And so what you'll want to start with was our Friends White, followed by orange juice, and then a little bit of mineral water, a little splash of that, or maybe some club soda if that's what you have, whatever you'd like to make it a little bubbly. And then of course a little fruit garnish. You've got our orange, and I would say to make it to make it special, you could put in raspberries or strawberries, whatever you like. And so now I'm going to go ahead and put it together for you. So you take a splash of Friends White, about 4 ounces or so. I'm not measuring right now, but a little splash of orange juice, as much as or a little as you like. I think mimosas are really made with orange juice, so put a little extra. Then that splash of mineral water, and finally the garni. All right, so cheers, Happy New Year.